Hey there, aviation enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of India's next-generation jet engine, the Kaveri2.0, developed by the Gas Turbine Research Establishment, GTRE. India has long relied on imported engines for its fighter jets, but GTRE is on the path to change that. The Kaveri 2.0 is a game-changer, designed to replace these imports with homegrown power. The immediate focus? Validating the dry Kaveri engine with an afterburner to ensure it generates the necessary thrust for combat situations, including supersonic flight. Now let's talk numbers. GTRE's long-term goal is to develop a new prototype core engine, the Kaveri 2, with a thrust output between 55 and 58 kN. This core will be the foundation for a full-fledged turbofan engine capable of over 90 kN of wet thrust. This would rival the performance of the US-made F404 and F414 engines currently powering India's Tejas fighter jets. The Kaveri engine program has faced its share of challenges, but recent advancements show promise. The addition of an afterburner, for instance, marks significant progress. The Kaveri 2.0 is designed for flat-rated performance, ensuring consistent power output regardless of external factors like temperature and altitude. This is crucial for India's diverse climate, where engines like the F414 experience performance drops in hot and high-altitude conditions. If successful, Kaveri 2.0 could replace the F404 engines in the Tejas Mk1A fleet, which typically require replacement after about 10 years. The timeline suggests Kaveri 2.0 could be ready just as these jets approach their second decade of service. Furthermore, integrating Kaveri 2.0 into the Tejas Mk2 fleet, currently planned to use the F414 engine, could significantly reduce India's reliance on foreign technology. GTRE aims to have the Kaveri engine ready to power domestically developed fighter aircraft by the mid to late 2030s, so there you have it. The Kaveri 2.0 represents a bold step towards self-reliance in jet engine technology for India's defense industry. Exciting times ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge aviation technology. Thanks for watching.